Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math Tutorials, your one-stop center for mathematics. In this video, we shall deal with binary to decimal number conversion. In order to know more about the binary as well as the decimal number system, do refer my previous video. The link to the video is given in the description below. In this video, we shall be dealing with two problems. So let's get started. Problem number 1. Convert the binary number 101101 to its decimal equivalent. In the binary number system, the place is a power of 2. The place in the rightmost location is 2 raised to 0. The power of 2 increases as we move the place from right to left. Hence, the place of 1, which is the rightmost number, is 2 raised to 0. The place of 0, which lies before it, is 2 raised to 1. The place of 1 lying before 0 is 2 raised to 2, and so on. So for easier understanding, it is always better to start with the places from the rightmost location. So the technique of converting a binary number to decimal number involves multiplying each of the digits with its place and then adding up the results. So let us see how do we do the conversion. We start with the rightmost side. On the rightmost side, we have the binary digit 1. The place of 1 is 2 raised to 0. So we perform 1 multiplied with 2 raised to 0 plus the digit before that, which is 0. The place of 0 is 2 raised to 1. So 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 plus the next digit 1. Its place is 2 square. So 1 multiplied by 2 square plus the previous digit 1 multiplied with its place, which is 2 cube, plus 0 before it, which is 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 4 plus the leftmost digit, which is 1 multiplied with 2 raised to 5. 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 gives 0 plus 1 into 2 square gives 4 plus 1 into 2 cube gives 8 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 gives 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 5 gives 32. Now after we add it up, we get the result as 45. So that's it. This is the decimal equivalent of the binary number. Hence, the binary number 101101 is represented as 45 in its decimal equivalent. Let us now see one more problem coming under the same category. Problem number 2. Convert the binary number 11011 to its decimal equivalent. So here also we will be using the same method. Let us start from the rightmost side. The rightmost element 1 has the place of 2 raised to 0. So we perform 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus the next number 0 into 2 square plus the next number 1 into 2 cube plus the last one, which is 1 into 2 raised to 4. Now let us move on with the calculation. 1 into 2 raised to 0 gives us the answer as 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 0 into 2 square is 0 plus 1 into 2 cube is 8 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 gives 16. Now on solving this, we get the result as 27. Hence, The decimal equivalent of the binary number 11011 is 27. I hope the method of binary to decimal conversion is clear. Stay tuned to my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon.